Nongialam yogi sang sang putai ba ka Thai North East ka India grami ba Iatylli lang mlon ban thau ya ka Shatri ka Won North East ya ka ni pan banam da ka sni ka South Rik nai weng ajab san ha New Delhi da ka Nongialam yogi sang sang putai na ka ni ka Thai North East ban ya khun ya jing ang not yogi pat ba ka Thai ki Nongialam gi badan ban talang gi kan thop ya kondat ke sangma umtrang ba ka jlam khaya jong National People's Party u Pradiat Bikram Manikya unong seng ka Tipra Murtha Party o manhun lomo kikon unong aikten barim ka BP bar menteri soka kan aklan bar Daniel Langthangsa unong seng ka People's Party Assam kani kan hun thamai kan simmi ka jing amin sim na gi jing yo ijingai bat kanam jong Nongialam ka Thai ba lek no kibria khun nam ta ka jing itu kerpang bat karoi ka par jong tan site lam mengi ban pentelun ye ka kam kila thau komiti ban Siang perkat bat banyak keren hal kam gibi day ban le kentup kirkom trikam kerukom long jong kan Thai berkesan betai ban terwa ban thau hal kan benta kajing thau ka One North East kalong ban sei ya Nongialam na ka Thai bat ban ra ka sur ka baklan ha ka san hima sima na kamta ki pratri ki Jylla ka tan stem mingi ha kirsan jong kari ban persngeu ya jing jong ki pat ba kan ka Thai.
Today, I take this opportunity, first of all, to welcome our leaders from different states of the Northeast. We have with us our Maharaja of Tripura, Sri Pradyut Bikram Manikya, who is the founder of the Tipra Murtha Party. We also have with us Sri Honorable Kikor, who is the former BJP national spokesperson and a former minister of government of Thailand. We also have on stage with us Mr. Jylla, who is the President of the Tripura Murtha. We also have with us Sri Daniel Langthangsa, who is the founder of the People's Party in Assam. And I'm also joined by our National Working President of the NPP, Mr. James Sangha, and our National General Secretary, Mr. Baghe, and also other leaders of the NPP. We, the leaders from different states of the Northeast, have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people.
इसी के लिए we have all come together and we are starting a process. बहुत लोगों को लगता था ये होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज शुरुआत हो चुका है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे रीजन का जो एस्पिरेशन we are all one here. I don't think many of the media people here, and you are all renowned media people, many a time you yourself have come and told us that you couldn't differentiate between one Northeasterner to another Northeasterner. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all share our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity.
Number one, obviously we cannot put all our principles, all our constitution, everything in the statement. The joint committee that is going to be submitting its report or whatever the steps forward will be giving the details of all aspects, including the principles on which this new entity is going to move forward in. So therefore all of that will come in. Today we are only announcing that we have decided that we will work together, and the modalities of that is going to be worked out within the next 45 days, number one. Number two, we're not here to fight with anybody. We're not here to try to say that here we're going to contest against anybody. We are all only saying is that the platform or the entity that we're trying to create is something that the Northeast today needs. That is all that is driving us today. We take up different issues, and sometimes we find ourselves alone in taking up those issues. And we realize that those issues actually sometimes cut across the borders. But because we are different political entities, we are not able to take this. Let me make it very clear, what is driving our decision is the interest of our people and the interest of our future. That is what the primary. And in that process, we will take things forward, we will work. We are working today with the central government. We move forward and we will see. We are not here to, to fight anybody or to contest or something. I mean, obviously as a political party, we will contest our elections. But as I said, our primary focus is on the people of the Northeast, and the idea is to give a singular platform where people of the Northeast and different political parties can come together and be of one voice for the people of the Northeast.
Sir, I have a question.